Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Today we're delving into an exceptional piece of automotive artistry, a custom-built 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback known as the DS500R. This unique vehicle is set to go under the hammer at Mecum Auctions on March 22nd in Glendale. Let's explore what makes this Mustang a standout masterpiece. The DS500R is not just a car, it's a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and high-performance engineering. Built by Ironworks Speed & Custom in Bakersfield, California, this Mustang has undergone extensive modifications to elevate it beyond its classic origins. At the heart of the DS500R lies a supercharged 5.4L V8 engine, complemented by Holley Dominator electronic fuel injection. This powerhouse setup ensures remarkable performance, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that pays homage to the Mustang's muscle car heritage. Visually, the DS500R commands attention with its PPG, metallic gray finish, aggressive spoilers, and widened fender flares. The custom machined grille and lower front spoiler enhance its bold presence, while the 19 and 20-inch Evio D machined wheels add a modern touch to its classic silhouette. This Mustang's exceptional build quality has earned it prestigious accolades, including the 2023 Good Guys PPG Street Machine of the Year and the Outstanding Engineering Award at the 2023 Grand National Roadster Show. These honors reflect the vehicle's superior craftsmanship and innovative design. Inside, the DS500R features a custom red leather interior adorned with machined aluminum components by EVOD. This blend of luxury and performance-oriented design creates an inviting environment for both driver and passengers. To complement its powerful engine, the Mustang is equipped with a custom-built suspension system, including a Detroit Speed front suspension with tubular control arms and rack and pinion steering. The Tremec T56 6-speed ensures precise gear shifts, enhancing the overall driving dynamics. For those interested in owning this one-of-a-kind 1967 Ford Mustang Fast, it will be available at Mecum Auctions in Glendale on March 22nd. This auction presents a rare opportunity to acquire a vehicle that seamlessly blends classic aesthetics with modern performance and engineering excellence. In conclusion, the DS500R exemplifies the pinnacle of custom automotive craftsmanship, offering a unique fusion of style, power, and innovation. Whether you're a classic car collector or a performance enthusiast, this Mustang stands as a remarkable testament to what can be achieved when passion and expertise unite. Thank you for joining me in exploring this extraordinary vehicle. If you enjoyed this discussion, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of exceptional automobiles. Stay tuned for our next episode.